What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly balance your Zhiyun Weebill 2. Now, if you find this video to be super helpful, hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. First things first, you always want to make sure that you have every accessory that you want to shoot with on your camera before you start balancing. So in this case, I have my lens hood, so that's what I'm gonna be balancing my camera with. Before you start balancing, you wanna make sure that all your motors are locked because we're going to balance each axis one after another. We're going to start with our first axis, which is the tilt motor, and that allows the camera to go up and down, okay? We're going to unlock this lever right back here, all right? Which is the lever on the left-hand side. We're going to pull it back so you can unlock it, and that will allow you to slide the camera forward. Slide the camera back and forth until it stays on its own, like this, all right? The second part to the tilt is this arm right here, okay? So you wanna go ahead and unlock this knob, and that's going to allow you to slide the arm back and forth, so that way you could balance the camera until it stays upright. Something like this, all right? Now, once you do that, you wanna test it around and make sure that everywhere you put it, it stays and it doesn't move. We're going to lock it to make sure it doesn't move right here, all right? Now we're going to balance the roll motor. And the roll motor is that arm, unlock it, and when you unlock it, it's gonna fall to the side. And the way you're going to fix that is there's a lever right here in the back. So once you pull back the lever, it's going to allow you to slide the camera from left to right. All right, something like that. And then you're going to move it until the camera stays on its own. Like right there is fine. Now we're going to secure the plate, and I like to put my fingers behind the plate so that way it doesn't move forward. And then I lock it, all right? Boom. So that way it stays tilted, and no matter where you turn it, it's going to stay in the position you put it. And that's how you know you have a proper balanced motor. Now we're going to lock the motor now. Now, if this balance has been easy so far, go ahead and hit me with the thumbs up. All right, let's get back into it. Now we're going to balance the last motor, which is the pan motor. That allows your motor to pan left and right. Once you unlock it, it's going to allow you to turn it, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to grab the bottom handle, and then we're just going to tilt the camera to the top right two legs. And you see the camera starts moving, and that's how you know that the motor is not balanced properly. So what we're going to do is you're going to unlock this lever right here, okay? And once you unlock it, that's going to allow you to push that arm back and forth. Now you're going to play with it until the camera doesn't move any further, all right? So that means we need to give it a little bit more push, so that way it could stay by itself. You see that? As soon as, see? That's no good. Let's give it a little bit more. Right here, it should do it. As soon as we push it, it's not moving. You see that? So we're gonna go ahead and lock the arm, okay? Now that we've balanced all our motors, it's time to turn on the gimbal. Make sure that all the motors are unlocked, or else the gimbal is going to freeze itself if you don't unlock the motors. All right, so let's turn this thing on. Money. Now that this thing is working, it's alive, let's unflip the screen, and now we're going to calibrate the motors. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're going to scroll down to the second menu option, and then you're going to go to auto calibration. So go ahead and hit start, and then it's going to do its thing. You're gonna start seeing it shake and kind of like jiggle a little bit. That's because it's calibrating the arms, and it's making sure the arms are stiff enough whenever you need that extra power. Okay, now that's done, we're gonna hit okay. And now we have a perfectly balanced gimbal. If you find this video to be super quick and super helpful, go ahead and reward me with a subscribe. And also, don't forget to like this video, so that way we can help more people balance their gimbal just as quick as you did. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Deuces.